Welcome to Fanatic Hobbies. My name is Paul, and wet pallets, should you buy one or just make one? I built 4 different wet pallets and I've tested all of them, and I can tell you with confidence that you can just do your own and that's it. There is a lot of hype about, oh, the wet pallet. You can make your own and it works perfectly. Like I said, I built 4 different models. 3 of them you can make right now with things that you probably have at home, like right now. And the 4th one, you can make it if you know how to do pottery. I'm not expecting you to know how to do pottery, but I will show you the one that I made, and that one is giving me amazing results. But the 3rd model that I also built is a great one and it works just as well, so you're not going to have any problems. Less talking and more action, okay? So these are the materials that you're going to be needing. First of all, paper, vegetal paper. This paper is used inside oven to cook things. It looks like this. This is great. Why this is great? Because this will allow some moisture to go upwards and will prevent the pigment to go downwards. So it will act as a pigment shield, but the moisture will be able to pass through it and it will maintain the moisture level of the paint longer. Then what you're going to be needing is a reservoir. It could be like a spreadable cheese box, it could be a Tupperware, or it could be where you put your sushi. When you buy the sushi at the supermarket or any other place, it usually comes with this and you can totally use this. And then the 3rd thing that you're going to be needing is something to keep the moisture level. For example, here what we have is a vegetal sponge. This holds moisture perfectly well, and as you can see, you can put the paper here and that's it. This is already a wet palette. I will show you how to prepare it, okay? This is a super small one. I use this when I go to paint with a friend or something like that. Or another thing that you can use is this. This is a kitchen rug. This one is called, the brand is Ballerina, but I am sure that there are several similars to this. It usually comes in yellow. I don't know why. So how does it work? It works like this. You open this, take some measures, and you check what is the size more or less are you going to be needing. I'm going to show you something like this. And then on top of this, you open your paper, and then you measure, okay? So more or less, how much are you going to be needing? Let's say something like this, okay? Great. So you press and you cut. Now this is no longer required. And then what you do is you measure, like up until here. Check that the measure is correct. It is a little short. Let's adjust it, give it a little more. Let's check now. Now this looks better. Great. You will notice that this surface has like some dots. It's better if the dots are pointing downward. So you can use this surface like that. And then the next thing that you're going to be needing is water. Pay attention to the level. It is not supposed to go beyond this rug, so that is more or less like the maximum level of absorption. Then when it is like this, you place it on top. You will notice that this got already some of the moisture, you see? Remove the bubbles so there is full contact. And that's it. This is already a wet palette. Yesterday I went to a supermarket, I bought this container, which I think is way better than a sushi tray. At least a little bit more professional. This is going to last longer than this, but this works perfectly well. There is no need to go beyond the sushi tray. When you are no longer using your paints, you just put the cover on top and that's it. And if not, you can always use a Tupperware. Same principle, same everything. So now you know how to build your wet palette. Go build your own. Let me know in the comments below how it went, and if you have any question, I will answer it. And if you came to this video coming from the full tutorial, here is the link so you can go back to it and continue watching the full beginner tutorial on how to paint your miniatures. Have a wonderful day, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.